Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. We're talking about 8.4.3 today. We're going to be using theoretical probability. So we're going to be using taking the idea of what we think will happen and to be able to guess how much something is going to be. So theoretical probability of winning a bobblehead when spinning a prize is 1/6. So we already know the probability of winning is equal to 1/6. We're not having to solve that. It tells us the wheel has 3 bobblehead sections. How many sections are on the wheel? Well, remember, this is winning with a bobblehead. So this is basically saying for every one time we win, or every 6 times, every 6 times, it's going to be 1 bobblehead. So 6 times, it's going to be a bobblehead. Now it wants to know how it's going to be if it has 3 bobbleheads. So there's a couple of ways we can do this. We can think about how do we turn 1 into 3, and then how does that affect our 6? So we could sit there and say, well, 1 into 3 means we're going to multiply by 3, and we're going to get 3 here, so we have to multiply that by the same 3. Sorry, I'll do that, and I'll do that. So I'll get 18. So 18 is the number of sections that must be on the wheel, 18 sections. But remember, in 7th grade math, we are concentrating on the idea of probabilities, which is what this is. So another way to have set this up, it's going to eventually look identical. But here we went 3 out of x. So we go through and we solve this. We always cross multiply first, 18. Then I'm going to divide by whatever I got left. Well, that's 18 divided by 1. Anything divided by 1 is itself. So I get 18. So 18 sections because x equaled 18. In both cases, I got the exact same answer because this is how we can think about it. We can even write it down if you want to. It just takes a lot more writing. And then this is how we can actually work through it. Cross multiply, divide by what's left, and that's what gives us our answer. So this has been 8.4.3. If you have any questions, make sure to write those down in your notes. Come in tomorrow, ask them. We'll be able to have time to go over them. If we can get it in front of the class, we'll get it in front of the class. If it's just you and I, it's just you and I. Watch the video as many times as you need to. You can start answering questions on 8.4.3 problems tonight, or you can wait till you come in tomorrow. Remember, it's about the process and understanding, not the answer. We'll see you tomorrow.